I started this business basically out of a necessity. I had been looking at this business and contacted MMLJ about 2.5 years ago. Well, as luck would have it, COVID came around, everything had changed. I had a corporate sales job and they decided to put us on a 90-day furlough and then decided to restructure their whole sales division. So guess what? That left me without a job. I didn't know about my future. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. What better time than to start a business, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it was a great decision. It was really, really good timing. 2 weeks later, I was down there picking up my new equipment. Came right back home. Within a week of that, I was back already doing some work. I've done several pools, done cars. I did a semi-trailer. I did some semi-wheels, porches, a brick wall, a little bit of everything. I did a boat trailer the other day. You just never know where the next job's going to come. And that's what kind of is exciting about this, because you just aren't doing the same work all the time. It's limitless what you can do, because there's so many different things out there that people want to have blasted. Anybody that's thinking about getting into the business, I think you should jump right in and do it. I think there's enough work out there for everybody.